The Bentley Flying Spur Speed is a high-performance, luxury sedan that blends handcrafted elegance with remarkable power. Under the hood, it features a 6.0-liter, twin-turbocharged W12 engine, producing around 626 horsepower and 900 Nm of torque. Paired with an advanced 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and all-wheel drive, it accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in about 3.8 seconds, while delivering a top speed of over 330 km/h. Advanced technologies like Bentley Dynamic Ride, all-wheel steering, and adaptive air suspension provide exceptional comfort and precise handling. Inside, the Flying Spur Speed showcases exquisite leather upholstery, real wood veneers, and a rotating infotainment display, delivering an unmatched combination of luxury,